Hi everyone, Peter Reddick here. One thing you guys didn't know about me is I am a huge Lego fan. I think it's just fun and relaxing to be able just to spend time putting stuff like this together. What we have here, and I'm very lucky to have this one, it's a hard one to find, is a very special, and at least to me, and fascinating Lego set. Before we get into it, just to let you give you an idea. The shipping box or the shipping label says it weighs about 30 pounds. Normally when we go to the store, Lego sets, average out to maybe 5-10 pounds max. This is a 30-pound Lego set. All right, let's let you guys know what it is now. This is the Lego Titanic. It is model number 10294, and it has a whopping total of 9,090 pieces. Let me say that again, 9,090 pieces. Not only is this one of the largest Lego sets, it's also one of the longest Lego sets. And personally myself, I am fascinated with the Titanic. I think the structure, the architecture in it is just beautiful. It's a tragic thing what happened with it in 1912. However, to be able to put this together is kind of like rebuilding a piece of history. So let's get started with unboxing. Let's show you what this looks like. Let's take a look at this. All right, man, this is beautiful. Just the design on it. All right, let's get this out of the box. Guys, ready for this? Wow. This is my first time seeing it, so this is beautiful. And of course, you've got beautiful images of the side of the ships on every side. On the back here, you get a really good look at the overall structure of the ship, how it also breaks down into 3 sections, and it is detailed even inside of it. And it shows completed versions, and just beautiful. Okay. And of course, on the top here, where it says Le Titanic. Wow. So let's cut this thing open and see what we have inside. Let's get a look at what's inside here. Kind of hard to do this one-handed, but doing my best here. There we go. Oh, wow. Let's get this like that. All right, let's take a look at what's inside. Here on the top inside lid, you kind of have this blueprint design, which is just stunning looking. And inside, you have 3 sets, 3 boxes to represent the 3 different sections of the ship. All right, let's get these out real quick. Wow. You guys can just look at this, just take this in. As you can see, each section of the ship, each box represents 1 section. And let's just get a good look at all the boxes here. It's like box 3. And then you got blueprints of the interior, the other side, and the rear of the ship. Same with this. Box 2. Got the interiors. And you got the front of the ship with the interior. Let's take a look at what's inside of these, shall we? Box 1. Box 1, which contains bags 1 through 12. All right. Looks like we have one of the manuals, the instruction manuals. And I will say I love how they put it in the firm cardboard envelopes to really protect it. I know there are some sets that just come with the manuals folded or loose, and they can get torn up, damaged, and stuff like that. So let's empty out the contents of box 1. All right, let's go for box 2. It's going to show you exactly how many pieces there are. Box 2, which contained bags 13 through 28. All right, let's dump these out. Again, another instruction manual. Box 3, which contained bags 29 through 46. So if you're wanting to know, this is what over 9,000 pieces of Lego looks like. So, tell you what, let's take a look at, start taking a look at some of these instruction manuals. Whoop, hang on. We got the, it's not stickers, but we got like the little plastic decal flags. And then we got Titanic, Book 1. And it's very detailed. I will say this. This is the first time I've seen and unboxed this Lego set, but not the first time I have seen it built in person. First time I saw it built, and the only time I've seen it built. And this is where I found out about this Lego set, was at the Molly Brown House Museum in Denver, Colorado. Now, if you guys don't know who Molly Brown is, she is also known as the unsinkable Molly Brown, who did survive the Titanic. So yeah, I would urge check them out as well. Probably find them on Facebook. So, I hope you guys will join me on my journey on putting this thing together. I think we will have a lot of fun, and it's going to be relaxing. And maybe we might learn a thing or two too. So, thanks for joining me this far. And I hope to see you soon as I continue to build this massive set.